Hello guys, here's Alan from ESA. Welcome to Ocean Controls Limited Corporation. As a leading manufacturer and trader of electronic firmwares, we are strictly in terms of electronic firmwares for manufacturing high quality and reliable products. Our company was founded in 2012, which has more than 10 years experience in this industry. And today, it's my great honor to make a tour guide about our company. So without further ado, let's get started.
Our factory, located in Dongguan, covers an area of 5,000 square meters and has passed ISO quality management system. The products meet CE, RoHS, and FCC approved quality standards. We export our products all over the world, especially to European and American markets. We have more than 10 independent R&D and innovation patents. Our firmwares are equipped with high accuracy of 0.1 and they are adaptive with various heating and cooling equipment.
With many years of experience, our products features quality, reliability, and durability. And here is our research and development department for researching and developing of our products, as well as some after-sales problems. As you can see that they work very close so that they can communicate with each colleague very efficiently to solve problems for you. Now let's move to our production line. As you can see that we have professional workers to charge each component of the products, quality control for the whole process to do a good job in every details for you. We have 5 sets of fully automatic SMT lines, 7 sets of injection molding machine, and the advanced molding equipment. And I will show you more details of it.
Monthly capacity is more than 200,000 pieces, and this can be expanded according to customer requirement. We accept urgent order. We have adequate stock for more than 25 series and 24 hours delivery. Our firmware is made of fireproof ABS, LCD display, PCB board, and electronic components, all equipped with 0.1 accuracy. In addition, we have broad experience in RF remote control products like remote wireless and Wi-Fi firmwares. Wireless firmware's radio frequency usually is 168 MHz and remote control in 200 meters, and Wi-Fi models support Wi-Fi, universal compatibility, and work with Alexa as well. All models can apply to most air conditioner, gas boiler, HVAC system, heating, and cooling equipment. Based on the above, we can design and develop new models for you upon your technical specifications or sample.
What's more, we have a warehouse dedicated to storing the products, which means we can deliver the products in an efficient way and ship the goods as soon as we confirm the orders.
In short, we will be your best cooperator from China in electronic firmwares. If you have any inquiries, please call us at once. We warmly welcome customers from all over the world to contact us for business partnership. Thank you.